Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuse to check in case your interior mirror is not working and it's not switching between daytime and the nighttime vision. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. The fuse you want to check will be located under the front hood in the main fuse box, which is right here. Now to remove the cover, you will have three black tabs, one here, and one here. So press these clips together and lift up on each of them to unlock it. Once you have the cover off, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. And right here, this is the fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse to check, it's a fuse number F44, which is a 10 amp red fuse located right here. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.